I just fucking returned this. Ah, that's sick. I just returned it. I returned the battery charger, so I just got my tune for like 150 bucks. Let's go for a drive. Fuck this RAV4 though. The car's basically ready to go. I'm not gonna get on it until I get to a cool road anyways. So, like, we're not giving her all the pepper, but I mean, so far so good. It's not giving me any weird, like, it hasn't thrown a code or given me any weird lights that I don't already have. I haven't even been in boost yet, so I have no idea how it's gonna feel. I literally have not been in boost. I'm just fucking stoked to actually get in boost in a second. Oh fuck, that wasn't even all the way. Oh, oh my god. Oh fuck. Oh dude, I'm gonna be looking at this video going, fuck, I cringed myself out, bro, how I scream and shit. I guess we'll get into it. I'm not gonna get into it in first gear though. We'll go right here, second, ready? Oh my fucking god. It's almost like it over boosted for a second. I should probably buy the module now. I should have probably applied the linear throttle mapping too. This is a stage 1 basic 91 octane tune. It's like nothing special, but it's fucking insane. I can't express to you how this feels unless you do it yourself. This is well worth the 200 bucks. That's so fucking cool. I literally can't get over that. If you were to tell me, I would have had a 335i like a long time ago. If you were to tell me this is what I could do for $200, I'm not even joking. This was 200 bucks. I don't even know if the GoPro's still recording. If it is, cool. If it isn't, fuck that. I'm pissed. I'm still behind this fucking truck. It's not even like it's off the stock diverter, stock charge pipe. There's nothing done. Only thing that's done in this car right now, unplug the little actuator for the exhaust and the dual cone intakes, and that's it. The car is plain other than that, which is what scares me. I definitely want to front mount. I definitely want to get the module, but there's a lot of things I need to get, or I want to get. What? Did you hear that fucking boom pop bang boom bop? Okay, let this guy go. Go ahead, bro, go ahead. I'll watch this shit. I gotta turn around. Oh my god. I'm gonna kill myself in this car on accident. Yep, we caught air. That was sick. Oh, slow down, slow down, slow down. Dude, that fucking blow off is sick. Oh my god, I can't with this car, dude. I went from a 318, that little 1.9 to this. Oh, there's a bump up here. We will go airborne, so I'm gonna slow down for that. There wasn't really details on what the tune is adjusting, but clearly we're getting way more boost. It must have turned the PSI up like double. I don't know. I think these cars make 8 PSI stock. It's definitely making way more than that now. We're gonna slow down for these guys. Don't want to be a dickhead. Let's see if we can get a little under the underpass burble. Start it in a second. if you guys could hear that. I couldn't. That was sick. Ready? I can't realistically see how long this will last. As long as I do the right shit and I man up and grow a pair of balls and do the right stuff before I just throw on a sick exhaust and all this shit that I don't realistically really need, I should be okay. But that's just me. That's all me. That's what I gotta do. So I'll make sure to do that, I guess. Did it make a difference? This is fast as fuck for $200. I can't believe this is available to anybody. My dumbass can do it, and you just saw I did it. It was like, took like 10 minutes. I'm just blown away. I'm also very nervous. I need to get a radar detector. I need to get a front mount, a charge pipe, and then address some actual, maybe check out the PCV, injectors, spark plugs, all that jazz, because I don't want to be irresponsible. Oh my fucking God. Listen to this. I don't know if you guys can hear the gunshots, but they're there.